Does everyone realize how we are all techies now? I mean, seriously, do you realize how many like gadgets we have right now? Like our iPods and our cell phones, and we're always texting. Like why call someone when you just text? It's faster. You don't really have to have any real communication. And, part of it is really cool, I think, but then again, part of it, I guess, takes away from the relationship of things. But I mean, it's really it is much faster. It's very convenient, and I mean, it's like, look, I just be texting right now and doing a blog at the same time. It's really cool. And I just remember, I think a couple weeks ago we were at the beach and no one brought their cell phones down, and we're like, oh, what time is it? Everyone just expects someone else to bring theirs if they don't bring theirs, and so we didn't know what time it was, and it's like, you kind of feel lost without it. It's like, I don't know what to do with my hands when you're not texting. You don't have your cell phone. You're like, what am I gonna do? So again, part of it's cool, but again, part of it, I think we're kind of losing the relationship with people a bit more, but it is convenient.